Hello everyone, if you're new to my channel is Cooking Mom. And today I'm gonna try these Krusteaz lemon bars. I picked these up yesterday. I've never tried them, so we'll see how they turn out. And you're gonna need a 1/3 cup of water and 3 eggs and 2 tablespoons of butter that's melted. And I got my eggs and I'll get my water. We're gonna mix it up and we'll go from there. And if you like I said, if you're new to my channel, I hope you like my videos. Maybe you'll go on there and subscribe, like, comment, and share. Anyway, let's get started. Okay, I got everything here I need. And we have this here container. This must be the one that's gonna put on the back of the thing. And it says heat the oven 350, whiskey, water, eggs, and your lemon filling mix till blended. Set aside. And you're going to stir your melted butter into the crust and crumble form as a dough. Ooh, we're going to bake firmly in the bottom of the pan 12 to 14 minutes. Okay. Okay, so we got to make a crust. So I need to get me a pan out. Okay, this is the crust, and I'm going to use this little pan. I hope it's going to work. This little pan that's got that removable piece, but this is a small pan. It says 12 by 14, but I don't think this is 12 by 14. So, we improvising. And I melted my butter. Mix it up good and press it in the pan. I'll get it pressed and come back. Okay, I got it in my pan. That was a pain in the butt, but I got it. Don't know how it's going to turn out, so I'm going to put it in the oven and bake it. It says 12 to 14 minutes. Hopefully this will be easier. Alright, all we're going to do is we're going to mix up our eggs and our water and our mix. I know what I'm going to do first. I'm going to do my eggs. I'm going to whisk those up for just a second. Put my eggs in and then I'm going to put my filling in. That might make it a little easier. Okay, put my eggs in there. Mix in my water, a 1/3 cup of water, and then I'm gonna mix in my mix, the lemon filling. And when the crust gets ready, we'll have the filling ready to put in it. Put all my trash in the box. I want me some lemon bars. Okay. Alrighty. Whenever my crust gets ready, we'll put it in there and finish baking it. I think that's good enough. I'll come back. Okay. My crust is done. And all I'm going to do is pour this filling on top of it. Ooh, it's hot. It's sizzling. And we're going to put them back in the oven and bake it for about 24 to 26 minutes. So, alright, I'll stick it back in the oven. Okay, my lemon bars just came out the oven. And they're cool. They're hot. They got the cool, so anyway, we'll come back later. But they're a little brown on the sides. Like I said, I didn't have another pan, but hey, they still look good. So we'll check them out later. Here's my lemon bars, and I've already cut them, and we done tasted them, and they are good. That crust is so crispy. My husband said them things was good. Anyway, like I said, I hope you like my videos. Please like, share, and go and hit that subscribe button. Like, comment, and hit the notification bell. And thanks for watching.